Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming which browser and which extension caused the block, since the fix depends on both. Once done, save any open work and close distracting tabs so you don't lose progress. Now open the browser's extensions or add-ons page and locate the suspect extension. You'll need to inspect permissions and recent updates. Make sure developer mode or detailed view is enabled so you can see exact permissions, last update date, and whether the extension is enabled or blocked. You should next inspect why the extension blocked the page. Look at permissions like read and change site data and any site exceptions. If the extension is overly permissive, toggle site access to on-click or disable access for that site. This often restores the page while keeping functionality. If settings look corrupt or the extension was recently updated, remove it and reinstall from the official store. Doing that refreshes policies and often stops incorrect blocking. Finish by clearing the browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser so permission changes take effect. Make sure the browser's built-in security or tracking protection isn't also blocking the page. If it is, adjust those lists or add a site exception. If the problem persists, test in a new browser profile or safe mode to isolate the extension from other settings. Tip: if reinstall didn't help, disable other extensions one by one to find conflicts. That usually reveals the real culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.